I dance with the whispering flame. No memory, no past, no name. My eyes hold the silence the gods once bestowed, and the stone in your heart, it already knows. They call me Kallichora, with voices so low, like petals of poison, like rivers that flow. A judge of forgotten, a ghost from the deep. I dance while the stars in their sorrow still weep. Kallichora, voice of the moon, sing the curse, sing the rune. With a sigh, turn to stone. In her song, you stand alone. Kallichora, serpent in flame, say her name and feel the shame. My lies are like feathers, they drift through the night. Each word a soft dagger, a flicker of light. You ask who I am, just a shadow, a breath, who sings of the gods and remembers their death. In dreams I hear echoes, so distant, so near. They whisper Kallichora, not with love but with fear. A song not yet written, a fate never sworn, but the melody burns like a crown made of thorns. Kallichora, veil and fame, where she dances, silence sing. Do not follow, do not stay, or be the stone she shapes from clay. Kallichora, voice of the moon, may your fate come far too soon.